Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I have a very special invitation for you. I will be hosting my first ever collab, and it is going to be called the Summer Vignette Challenge 2020. It is a open collaboration, and my co-host for this invite is Bre from Bre's project book. Bre and I have similar decorating styles. We both love to decorate in black and white. We will each throw in a little bit of color here and there. She likes to use red, and my go-to color is green for my pop color, a very muted green. But since we both love to decorate in black and white, we thought a great idea to host a collaboration together. So that is why we're going to host the Summer Vignette Challenge 2020. And in this collaboration, all we are asking you to do is be subscribed to both of our channels, to mention both of our channels in the video. Also make sure that you leave links for our channels in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist. We ask that you incorporate black and white in your decor. We want you to decorate either a tablescape, a coffee table, any area in your home, just a little vignette. But you must use black and white and any other color of your choice. So the upload date for this collaboration is August 22nd at 9 a.m. Eastern. And we hope we get a lot of participation. I think it'll be so much fun. Again, it is the Summer Vignette Challenge 2020. You must incorporate black and white. You can decorate any area in your home, but you must use black and white and also any other colors of your choice. So I hope you guys will join Bre and I. I so look forward to it. I hope we get a lot of participants. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the Summer Vignette Challenge. Bye-bye.